The U.S. Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA, says COVID-19 was more likely leaked from a Chinese lab than transmitted by animals. According to the agency, a research-related origin of the COVID-19 pandemic is more likely than a natural origin. The new assessment came after John Ratcliffe was confirmed as the CIA director under the second administration of Donald Trump. In an earlier interview, Ratcliffe said he believes COVID-19 leaked from the Wuhan Institute of Virology. COVID-19 was widely believed to have originated from infected animals sold at a market. Yes, initially, sabi nila mga pangolin or from bats.
Nature in origin ang sabi nila.
But even during the pandemic, nung bago-bago ito, even through the second year of 2021-22, talagang sinasabi nila, there was a strong possibility, it looked like, na it was accidentally leaked from yung sinasabi ng Wuhan Institute of Virology because yung pag-mutate kasi nitong COVID, this one, ang bilis. Parang ito sa very intelligent virus already from the start to begin with.
Pero ano pa lang to ha, ito yung sinasabi nila, yung mataas yung posibilidad, hindi pa naman nila
No. They're investigating.
Investigating pa din. Pero yun nga, syempre, napupoliticize yung ganitong mga findings because of, sabi nila, si Radcliffe was also, was also official under the Trump administration nung first presidency niya. So, sinasabi nila na parang may politics behind it because galit sila sa China, so they're trying to...
Pero
alam ko yun, na nakikita natin sa mga report na babasa natin that there were two origins na sinasabi nila na po pwedeng...
Pero politics aside, it's not even the US, another country from Europe said, when the pandemic, in the middle of the pandemic, sabi niya, there's strong indicators that this virus may have been raised up in a lab and released somewhere by accident. They're looking at that possibility.
Kumalat ng Kasi nga yung umpisa, like yung sa report mo, originated from infected animals sold at a market. Yun yung pangolin, di ba?
Yun yung pangolin. There's a market kasi in Wuhan where they eat pangolins and bats. Di ba may pangolin soup?
Kaya nga di ba dumating yung nagkaroon ng mga articles and docus about it na talagang you don't touch yung mga di ba? Binigyan na tayo ng mga pagkain, ng mga animals sa pangkain, pero wag mo na pakialaman yung mga hindi na para sa'yo.